How to delete sent friend requests on Facebook in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Friends option from the bottom toolbar you see there, and now in the interface that you would be led to, the Friend Request tab. So, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen there, and you will see the option for View Sent Request. Tap on the View Sent Request option there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the people that you have sent requests to on Facebook until now. So simply navigate to the person whom you want to cancel the friend request and then tap on the cancel request option you see there, and with this, the request will be canceled. So this is how you can delete sent friend request on Facebook in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.